Layla. Today I'm going to show you guys my squishy collection. So I'm going to be showing you guys my squishies and then also the package, but some of them doesn't have packaging because I accidentally ripped them. And at the end of 2017 I will be doing more squishy collections. I might do a montage, or I'm going to show you guys all my squishy all my squishies. Comment below if you want a squishy montage or a squishy collection video, all my squishies. And next week I will be doing another squishy collection. So this will be a 2017 squishy collection. I didn't have that much because I just started 2 weeks ago, so sorry and I couldn't do my squishy collection video last week just because the package came this week. So I'll show you guys. I'm not sure if it's gonna come tomorrow, but first I have Fergus. Okay, I don't think it's gonna Fergus, but I have Murmur Sleepy, and this is one of the Pom Pom hamsters. So very cute. Wait, I'm gonna clean my phone because it's not focusing that well. But let's give a squish. Murmur Sleepy. It is pink. Very cute. It smells like berries, so I'm really happy about that. And here's the packaging. I wish it was Murmur Sleepy, but instead it has Parker Sleepy. I mean Parker Smiley and Parker Sleepy. I feel like there's a Parker normal one. And talking about Pom Pom hamsters, I got the Parker Sleepy because the Sleepy Fiends. There's like lines on it, and then there's a blush. My phone, I'm filming on my phone because my camera and my iPad isn't working, so it's like charging, and also my laptop. So let's give it a squish. And to me, it smells like caramel and chemicals, but mostly I can smell caramel. So, and there's the same packaging. So I'm just gonna put that on there. Okay. The next thing I know I'm not doing an order, but who cares? So I got this marshmallow pig, and I have the boy version, so I'm gonna squish it. And to me and some of my friends, it smells like candy, and to me, they don't know what it smells like. Cotton candy or like bubblegum. And let's put it. And I have bobby pins because yesterday I bring it to my friend's house, and you know, I like to plug this in my phone, and then when I need bobby pins, there is bobby pins. Not really. Yeah. But it is very squishy. Next, the package went I opened it, so I don't have the package. And I have the cavity teeth, and from Cutie Creative. Oh, that is from Painting Maru, because when I went in Painting Maru, there it is. Okay. but here's the packaging. Very nice. Like, there's a toothbrush that says Kitative. If you guys can see. My phone isn't that great just because it's not focusing very well. And here's the cavity tooth. Let's squish it. It just smells very nice. So I better do this quick just because my phone's gonna run out. Okay. And next I got the golden apple. And to me, it smells like apple, but then if you breathe it in very hard, it smells like nail polish and chemicals. But if you smell it gently, it smells like apples, which is amazing. So I'm going to press it very slowly. Then we'll press the stem. Well, it is very soft. And I think this is one of the Punimaru or something like that. In the package, I accidentally unwrapped it. Next is the Miffy the coffee kitten. And I couldn't put everything out. Okay. Let me put this down while I'm taking this off. Okay. Here is the kitty. And the cup is very squishy. And here it says KSI Cafe. Let's squish this. Here is the cute kitty. Let's also squish this. Look at the eye. Very slow rising as the apple. Torture. And I will also be keeping the packaging. It is much bigger than all of them, but I feel like the tooth is nearly as high, but then it doesn't need to be that big. Like, should it be like that and then cut this? So yeah. Next are all my not licensed ones. So here's my blush bun. Oh no. Okay, here's my birthday turtle. Has no license on it, which I'm really sad, but yeah. I have this peach, and it is in half. The other half is somewhere is on the bed, but I just gotta show the half of it because it's more better. Someone scared me, so I'm really sad. So next, oh no, where is it? Okay, here is my peanut bun. It is a very defected peanut bun because I was doing an experiment on it, and I was squishing it a lot, so of course it's gotta be defected, but it's fine because if all of this gone and there's still pink, I'm gonna paint it with my watercolor paint, so it's fine. Next I have my green panda bun with a bow, like a pink bow. I got this from Delightful Boutique for extra. Next, I got this gingerbread man with a green bow chain from Creamy Candy. I'm going to try to get this out with one hand. This is very hard, but yeah. Okay, here is a close-up. Sorry for the glare. But it is a green bun, and it looks really pretty. It's like really cool. Sorry if it is not focusing. It's my phone. It's so weird. So that is all my squishies. So thank you for watching.